This is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's video, to give you some context, is the after call work timer, as you see on the left-hand pane right there. There is an option for you to push I am done, but by default it's set to 30 seconds, meaning that after a call ends, you'll be provided 30 seconds before receiving another inbound call. What we're going to talk about today on today's tutorial is the ability to change this timer from the default 30 seconds to something custom. If I then can direct your attention to the admin portal, under Admin System, System Settings, and then from there, go to Voice Agent, second option down, After Call Work Timer. Note that the initial duration is 30 seconds, as outlined in my previous part of this video, but you change that to whatever you want. 45 seconds, a minute, an hour, there are options for all of those, as you see fit for your environment. Once done with that, click OK, and then Save. That is how you change the After Call Work Timer.